Hello friends, so welcome in the new video. In this video, I will going to show you combination of all the three sensors which we have studied in last three videos. It's TDS, pH, and turbidity. We have the data logger as well, but I have not used SD card for now, so we will not going to record data in SD card, but we will definitely display the reading on LCD as well as UART. So you can see the functions program is all already I explained you. It's the same program. Read TDS, read pH, read turbidity, and only this new function read pH sensor is there. So let me just show you that function. Okay, this function is actually based on our last calibration, right? 1 minute. Okay, so here you can see this function is based on our last video, which is we have calibrated this. So you can see readings are same. I use same voltage, same reading. So this is based on our calibration, right? And we have just read all the three value and display it on our LCD. So you can see this function on first line 80, it will display TDS pH. On second line, it will display turbidity sensor along with the condition of water, bad, fair, good, or excellent, right? So I think I have already explained you all this, so I'm not repeating it. But you have to just consider that here three sensors simultaneously our channel will read, means it's not simultaneous, it's a sequentially, but it's fast because there is less delay is there in between. So first it will read TDS, then pH, then turbidity, then it will do all this processing, it will display on LCD, and then it will do the same process continuously at the interval of 2 seconds. So for each 2 seconds, it will follow all the process, right? So this is what the code is not new, so I'm not repeating it, right? So first of all, let us upload this code on the board, okay? And then we will measure the readings, okay? And yes, one more thing, meanwhile, let us open the terminal as well. First of all, let us load the code, open the terminal. So I'm just using Teraterm for this video. Here you have to select micro ST microelectronics. You have to just set the required baud rate. The baud rate is 115200. And meanwhile, here you can see the setup. So three sensors are connected with this board on different ADC channel. This is LCD. And now I'm just opening this UART and just resetting the board. So you can see we have this water quality monitor 4.0, water logger start. I'm not inserted SD card, so that's why it shows SD fail, right? And now it start giving the readings. And currently I just inserted these three sensors into RO water. This one is pH sensor, this is TDS, this is turbidity. And here you can see the reading. So 101 is a TDS, 8.89, right? This is the pH for RO water, and turbidity is 0. So for all these, I just use clean water, so we will have only less or zero turbidity. Now let us change this from RO water to tap water. This one is tap water. I'm just changing my sensor's position from RO to tap water. Okay, and I'm just inserted all these three sensors into tap water, and now you can see the reading. TDS is increased, right? 283. pH is around 8.80 something, right? And turbidity is again 0. So this is for tap water. So only TDS is increased, right? And now let us change this position from tap water to this uh, lemon water. I just use lemon to reduce the pH. And now let us change the position of turbidity also and this TDS sensor. Okay. Now the TDS is 301 and pH is 5.82. Okay, for this third category buffer, which is lemon water, right? And here you can see TDS is around 6.28, right? And this is what three different sensor interface with three different buffer. And now this circuit is ready, right? I can simply connect it anywhere, even laptop is not required, right? And it will give us the output. So this is what for this video. In next video, I will definitely interface one ESP32 or such IoT device, right? It is in my list, and I will show you how to share these readings over the internet. So our ESP32 will host one web page. It will collect the data from Nucleo 144 board, and it will send those readings on over the internet, and from anywhere you can access it using a website or web link, right? So this is what in my list for future video. So for today's video, this is what I plan. And if you like this, please share it with your friend, like video, subscribe the channel. Till then, bye bye. Thanks a lot for watching the video.